never be remembered by your conscious mind. But you know what does remember? Subconscious mind.
Wake up!
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
I'm Rick James, bitch. I'm Rick James, bitch. I'm Rick James, bitch.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. What's up, Patreon family? Do you think that's air you're breathing? Everything starts and begins with your subconscious mind. Your reality is dictated on what your subconscious mind is programmed with. Your conscious mind is the front end of the computer, what you see. Your subconscious mind is the back end of the computer, what's programmed in it. You're manipulating your back end. When we think of echinacea, NyQuil, cough syrup, Robitussin, our minds, our programmed understanding, thinks of that as healing or will make me feel better. This is a collective consciousness throughout the world. But we don't scientifically know why it's working or how it's working. We're just going off the masses, the knowing, and taking their truth as facts.
Why you bully me?
Look how real the masses and your peoples made Christianity. Observe the masses and understand that they're making it real based off of their subconscious programming. Period. Getting back to y'all healing medicines. I'm not saying these items don't have a vibration of making you feel better. If it works for you, it'll work for you. Your truth is your truth. As scientists, we are here in this realm in space and time to manipulate our truth. And that comes with reprogramming your subconscious mind.
Message!
The mind is all and the universe is mental. So that means in order to control your universe, you must control your mind. We're programming our subconscious mind through rituals, visualization techniques, meditations, astral traveling, etc. Have we ever thought about programming our mind for the mundane things we see as everyday things? For example, Bobby said he healed himself with peach soda. That means Bobby did the proper work.